Okay, so I see that you need help with this question, and it says a survey was done of men's and women's hands to see if the ring finger appeared longer than the index finger or not. Yes means the ring finger is longer, and no means the ring finger appears to be shorter or the same length as the index finger. The students in this survey were not told the theory that men are more likely to have a longer ring finger than women due to more testosterone. What percentage of men said yes? So what percentage of men said yes? So first of all, I have to figure out what the total is. So this is 40 and this is 45, which means there's a total of 95 that did the survey, 65, 20, and I'm sorry, 85, not 95 that did the survey. And so when it says what